Hey, what's up, y'all? SlicedBread, JT here, BG behind the camera, and today is finally Smash Therapy Part 2.
Whiskey? Canadian whiskey?
Canadian whiskey. Oh, is it Canadian Club? There you go. No, it's not a Canadian Club in there. That's the true Canadian Club.
Yeah.
Right there. Can you see that? I don't know the size of it. 10 pound? 10 pound sledge. Dr. Sledge, they call him. So we got all kinds of goodies I showed you earlier, or we'll show you right now, probably even better. Laid out, bling! And we got, number one, because sliced bread, number one.
Best thing since.
So, Smash Therapy, we came up with it, I guess, a while ago. We smashed some pumpkins. Check it out, right about here.
Not the band.
Not right now. Not this band. No, Smashing Pumpkins it's a good band, and there'll be a link below. Actually, wait till after this video and then check it out after. We got all kinds of goodies here, and we're just gonna get to smashing. And we believe in smash therapy. Well, I do anyway, to at least get some aggressions out. Some people might think it's a bit of a waste to go into the dollar store and smash some stuff, but I think it's a waste when people can't get their aggressions out, and instead they drive into a ditch because they're drunk, or I don't know, bad stuff,
Or they're wasting their energy just being bitches and jerks to everybody.
Dicks, we like to call them. The real dicks out there. Dicks! I'll put a little Team America in there, yeah.
See, there's three kinds of people: dicks, pussies, and assholes.
And I'm wearing my fancy clothes, as you can tell. It's got rips and holes in it because it might get gooey. Because we got dino eggs.
Is
and
that what's in the dino egg?
I think there's slime in it. You pick the dino egg. I think there's slime inside. I haven't opened it because I'm scared it might ooze out.
We're going to slow-mo a little bit too.
Yeah, we got some slow-mo going here. And we got
Some socks.
this guy. We're going to do a little prediction. No, he's a stretch monster. Here, I'll show you.
Okay, Devin.
So I'm not sure. He's full of sand, it feels like.
I feel like you might have to nail him to something.
No, we'll put him down on the block, and he's not going to go anywhere. I'll lay him down, maybe he won't actually stand. Maybe we can get him to stand. He's really dirty now because my hands are filthy. I've been making a Smashbox. And yeah, we got all kinds of... I left a tag on him just because he's a gangster, Rubik's Cube. Got Bud Light speaker.
Mini Pearl was the original gangster then?
Generic beer brand speaker. And
You're going to smash the speaker?
I got two. This one doesn't work.
Oh, okay.
Doesn't charge up, neither does this thing.
There you go.
So we may as well smash some electronics because it's fun.
Do you have eye protective wear for me to wear?
Yeah, we got goggles. I don't have face shields because COVID. Let's go with that.
What? Because they're using them all?
Yeah, COVID's using all the face shields.
All right.
So yeah. Oh, and we got a giant balloon that's getting away.
COVID operations.
You saw the balloon when we were inflating it. So there you go. Oh, there you go.
And background stuff.
Perfect.
And back to Jason. Probably totally made it perfect.
I would say. Let's do it. Let's smash some stuff.
I don't know if it's...
You got to pick your weaponry. So let's do that. And action.
Is this the weaponry back here?
Yeah, we got weaponry stash back
You
here.
hear that sound? That's my pants wetting.
Oh!
Wetting my plants. I'm so excited.
My plants.
Wet my plants.
Wet my plants everywhere.
I'd like to smash it with this one, I think.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Small ladies. Oh!
It's heavy.
My elbow might hurt though.
I got a lighter one that's sort of the same
That's
shape.
okay.
Are you sure?
If I hurt myself, then you have to cut everybody's hair.
Good deal. Everybody down with that?
Probably.
All right.
Okay, here I go, smashing
Okay,
it.
hold on.
All right,
I
I
can't
got
see
this sweet egg from the eagle's nest. Ah!
Get your new
I'm not sure how to make breakfast. I'm hoping this is it.
Yeah. Smash therapy. Smash therapy. Okay, hold on, I gotta read.
Ah!
Oh, no
I think
way.
it wants in. This one goes out to fucking anybody dealing with infertility.
Yeah. Keep going.
Sometimes you gotta try again.
Yeah. Might be a tough smash, actually. Nice. Yay! She's strong.
Is there any symbology behind
Behind dinosaurs, you know,
the
it's more
balls in them?
it's more a recreation of like asteroid smashing dinosaur
Alright,
kind of thing, you know.
seems legit.
See if we can hit.
Yeah, watch out for plywood.
Oh, I hit it. It didn't explode at all.
The side, I think.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, an Orby popped.
Oh.
Oh. Can you do that? Right there?
Hitting the button. Yeah. Oh! That was a blaster. That was a lot more blasty.
He's doing a little worse there.
Oh,
I think he's still got one more in him though.
yeah.
Let's just do it up real quick.
That's legit. Sledgehammer.
Maybe let's go sideways, and then he'll ooze out more. Get some ooze up in you.
Half dead.
Oh! Missed.
Oh, that was awesome. I hope Milo doesn't eat it.
I think he's probably toast. Old dinosaur of pain.
Alright, back in the box.
Alright. What do we do before every school-sponsored function? Smash them up.
So let's get going.
Whatever, I don't give a shit. Let's just do what we always did before every school-sponsored event, and let's
Smash them up.
let's smash them up! Smash them up!
That worked, I'd say. He's wedged right in there. There goes the sand inside him. I'm sure that's awesome to breathe in. Thought he'd have one more in him, but maybe not. Maybe. Let's try the. Almost got him right in half. Yeah. He's not doing so good. Oh, you guys are doing great though, hey? Brr. Brr, 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 brr. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah.
You don't need the tape?
Ah, probably don't need the tape now. 4 feet in my ass. Alright, got a balloon. Now I'm really sweaty before I even get started. No, I took the case off.
Nothing?
It wrapped right around it, blew up right around the whole thing. What did you say? Like my sledgehammer has panties on? And it just... Little smash therapy for you. Nice, that was fun. What about you guys? You have fun? Feel a little bit more relieved?
We're more relaxed now. We're straight into meditation.
There you go.
Bobby and Milo
Oh my.
finished up the smash therapy. Over and out.